What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Spider-Man mountain climbers. So, mountain climbers, great for the core, great for shoulder stability. We're going to get in that tall push-up position, all right? So we're pressing from the ball of our foot. We have active hands. We are gripping the ground with our fingers. Our fingers are separated. I see whites in my knuckles, and I have tension in my core. From here, we're going to drive one leg up at a time, but instead of coming inside the hands like a normal mountain climber, you are going to drive knee to tricep on the outside. And then slow and controlled coming back, opposite leg, drive that knee to the tricep, hold for a quick second, and return back to that neutral position. Make sure these stay slow, really focus on driving that knee to the tricep and feeling those obliques activate throughout the movement. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.